Hey everybody, my name is Matt Sisk and I want to welcome you to At Home for Good, my YouTube channel. And I'm so excited to welcome you here today because I have a really awesome guest on my channel today. His name is JD Savage, and JD Savage and John Artsberger are a couple of buddies of mine, and what they have done is they have created a program called EIA, or Endless Income Academy, and this is the first video of a series that's going to teach you step by step of how to use EIA. EIA is an amazing program that has taken all of the tools that you need and put them in one spot to be a successful digital marketer or a successful affiliate marketer. And in fact, you can promote any product in the entire world on this system. But if most of you were like me and you knew nothing about affiliate marketing or digital marketing, you've probably seen guru after guru after guru on YouTube trying to get you to sign up for their programs. But let me warn you guys, most of the gurus out there are trying to steal your money. What they're going to do is they're going to give you just enough information to get you excited, but then they're not going to give you all of the information without continuing to gouge you on a monthly basis, trying to get you to sign up for more and more things that you actually need to be successful, instead of just giving them all to you at the very beginning under one umbrella with one price, and you just get to go and tear it up. But the beautiful thing is with EIA, you only have to do three things. You have to sign up, you have to sign in, and you have to send it out. And that's the way that it works. Everything's already done for you. It's really an earn while you learn kind of system. And John and JD have put together such a beautiful package that it is almost impossible to walk away without purchasing it. So I want you to do one thing first. I want you to take the time to vet John and JD both. Look at their YouTube channels, make sure that they're someone that you want to deal with. My name again is Matt Sisk. At Home for Good is my YouTube channel, and what we're going to do, we've got permission from John and JD to use this video, so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you the introduction to EIA right now. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments, or what I would really like is you would subscribe to my channel and also like this video. It's very, very important because it really helps us. And if you're going to sign up for this, it's going to be really important that you encourage your audience to do the same, because that's how we grow, right? So I'm super excited that you're here. If you have any questions, my number will be on the screen. Text me day or night. I may not get back with you, within seconds, but I will try within 24 hours to get back with you and answer any questions that you have. Both JD and John are great about answering questions. We have a mastermind every Wednesday night that is amazing, that will teach you anything that you need to know. But what is important is all you have to do is sign up, sign in, and send it out. So what we're going to do first is we're going to change your mindset. Then we're going to give you a tool set and a skill set to be successful. I'm telling you guys, this is an offer that you don't want to pass up, because it can change your family's life forever.
Hello everybody, and welcome. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here for a while, it's been a while since I made a series. If you didn't catch the previous video to this one, not a big deal. You don't really need to go back and watch it. What I'm going to cover in this video is who I am. My name is JD Savage, and Perfect Millionaires is my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, the other fellow in this picture, his name's John Artsberger. He's got a YouTube channel called From Failure to Freedom. So what, I guess you might say. Well, here's what we're doing here. Pretty unique situation, I think. We've decided to build out a series on YouTube for free, showing you exactly what you need to do to go from your $0 and zero knowledge in affiliate marketing and digital marketing to your first $100,000. Okay, now, how can we make that promise, and how are we so confident that we can do it? Or are we just completely full of crap? Good question. If you're not asking that question, you probably should be. And Perfect Millionaires is my YouTube channel. Check it out. You can vet me. I've helped thousands of people make a whole lot of money and quit their 9-to-5s and live the lifestyle they want to make, they want to live, right? John has done the same thing on From Failure to Freedom. We know what we're doing, and we know we can help you. I haven't made a series for a while, if you follow my channel, because I've been building Endless Income Academy for about the last 8 months, right? I thought it would be a little faster project. The reason that we started Endless Income Academy is because we have been doing this so long, and we've seen so many different platforms come and go, and we've seen a lot of platforms with a ton of potential but weren't quite able to deliver what they tried to deliver. So we've built a platform that literally takes you from zero knowledge. You don't need to know much at all to get started, We call it the give you a fish, teach you to fish marketing method, right? You've heard the old saying that if you give somebody a fish, you feed them for a day. If you teach them to fish, you feed them for a lifetime. The problem with that philosophy when it comes to marketing in general, sales in general, I've been a sales trainer for 3 decades now, so I know a fair amount about it, is people get discouraged because there's a lot to know, there's a lot to learn, there's a lot of setup that has to happen if you try to do it all yourself. And you got to start generating content. You got to know how to write ad copy. You need to know how to put funnels together. You got to do all the stuff. And then you're expected to make content and be happy and probably work a full-time job and maybe raising some kids. Guys, we get it. That's why we built Endless Income Academy. That's the give you the fish part. And then it goes on to teach you to fish and build out your own digital products or services if you want to do so, okay? But I'm not going to go into that in this video. What I am going to tell you is we're going to talk a whole lot about what makes sense, what doesn't make sense, how to avoid the most common advice out there that actually is a pitfall, and how to actually start generating a profit as soon as possible, okay? Now, what I'm not going to cover here in this series is I'm not going to tell you you're going to get rich quick, because you won't. Here's why. 3 things. TSM. Tool set, skill set, mindset. Here's what has to happen. You have to have the tools. We're going to show you what those are. We're going to show you what you don't need. As a matter of fact, we've bundled everything in one place and discounted it severely. You can't touch all of the tools that you will need no matter what platform you choose to work with. You just have to buy them separately. We bundled them all in one place. Then we're going to talk to you about the skill set that you need to acquire, and we're going to teach you that skill set so that you actually have a viable skill set that you can take any product or service and make money online, okay? That's possible. Yes, you can turn it on and off just like a faucet, but you have to have the skill set. And lastly, we're going to talk to you about the mindset required to build the fortitude to stay with it. Guys, I don't know if you can relate to this, but a real common theme that I hear from people is they've tried everything. Well, I get it, and they may even believe that when they say it, but in large part, when I really get to breaking it down with people, what happens is they get discouraged, and so they chase the next shiny object, right? Lots of people have thousands of dollars invested into things that they've tried or they were going to do. They were excited about it when they started, but it kind of fizzled out because they really didn't have the help or the support that they needed to get where they wanted to go, or maybe they weren't given all the information, right? That happens a lot. You will not experience that here. Everything that you need is under one roof, including the coaching, the guidance. It's all here, okay? I'm not going to go into Endless Income Academy much in this video. It's really just a what to expect, kind of setting expectations video, right? I'm not here to tell you that you're going to get rich in the next 30 days. I am here to tell you that if you dive in and you're serious, I don't care if you're busy, if you've got children that you're raising, if you're working a full-time job, you can do it. It has been done, and we will show you how to do it one piece at a time. You don't need to learn it overnight, and you can't learn it overnight, right? Oftentimes, when you get so much information that fast, it feels like maybe drinking from a fire hose, right? Not a good idea. People become overwhelmed. Life happens. They move on. They forget about it for a while. A new shiny object comes up, and now they're onto that vein, right? And it tends to lead nowhere. So if you can relate to what I'm saying, give me a like on this video. Drop me a comment. Let me know, do you understand what I'm talking about? Have you had some of these experiences, or maybe you know somebody that's had some of these experiences? It doesn't have to be that way. Guys, it's not that hard, but there are some things that you do need to know. And once you know them, you know them. And guess what happens next? You can go out and build income streams, lots of them, because it is digital and you can reach a lot of people. We're going to show you how to identify a problem and solve a problem for a mass amount of people, okay? That's the idea, and that should be the idea. Because guess what? You're providing a solution to a problem. And when you do that, people are more than happy to pay you for it, right? And because it's digital, you can do that a whole lot. But you have to learn some things. We'll talk to you about branding, brand voice, all of the things that you need to know, okay? All here in one place. So initially, this series is going to be treated like a series. We're going to jump in. We're going to show you what the tools are right away. This is how you get rolling. This is how you get started. And by the way, I want to mention here too, if you don't want to engage with Endless Income Academy, that's fine. If you've already got something you're doing, the things you're going to learn here are applicable across digital marketing and affiliate marketing entirely, okay? It's not only specific to Endless Income Academy. We have built something we're very proud of. We've built something that we know is of service to people. We have pre-made content, it's done. You just literally jump in and start rocking and rolling. The matter of fact, on that note, this video right here, this entire series, not just this video, is going to be made available to the affiliates within Endless Income Academy so that you can post it on your socials, right? So now, say you don't have a YouTube channel, say you're not comfortable getting on camera like this, right? I know a lot of people aren't comfortable with it, maybe never will be. Some get comfortable with it. Some people tell me they, I've worked with people on getting comfortable on camera, and they got to get drunk first, and they kind of send me a drunk video. It's funny, but I get it. It's an uncomfortable situation for some people, right? And they're just not going to do it. Well, you don't have to. You can take this series that we're building right now with some slight modifications, really simply, and you can put it on your YouTube channel. You can chop it up, put small pieces on your social. We already have reels pre-made that I've made, John's made, my wife's made, Drew Barr within the community has made, and other community members are now starting to create that you can post on your own socials with your links. So you don't have to turn on the camera if you don't want to, ever, right? It's my hope that you would eventually want to, but if you don't, that's cool too. The email campaigns are done, right? The Facebook posts are done. Everything is done. We do the telling and selling for you so that you don't have to, all right? That's more than I plan to say about that, but I'm just really excited about it. And if you're excited about it, here's what I want you to do. Give me a like on this video, drop me a comment, let me know what you think about it so far. Catch me in the next video, and we're gonna jump right into Endless Income Academy. There's 12 income streams in there, and I'm gonna break them down one by one, okay? I'll see you in the next video.
How amazing did that sound, huh? So EIA is where it is at, guys. Endless Income Academy. Again, all you have to do is sign up, sign in, and send the stuff out. I'm telling you, it's going to be amazing. But before you go, I need you to do one thing for sure. I need you to do this. I need you to believe in yourself, because it is you that's going to accomplish all of this. It's not me. It's not JD. It's John, not John. It's you. You got to believe in yourself, because I know that you can do this. I know that you can be successful. All you have to do, just like I did, just like JD did, just like John did, we all just put in our time a little bit every single day. And before you know it, you're going to be a successful entrepreneur making money online. I would also like to share with you that I want to give you an amazing gift. So I live in Columbus, Ohio, and recently in 2022, we had an amazing thing happen. We are celebrating Ohio Stadium's 100th year anniversary. So Ohio Stadium is where the Buckeyes play football, and it was built in 1922, and in 2022 they had a 100th anniversary football made, and I have a few of these balls that I want to give away for those who are subscribing to the channel to show you my appreciation. So this ball has, on one side, it has all kinds of amazing stats on there. On the other side, it's got the 100-year anniversary logo. It's got more stats on there. It's got a really cool picture of the stadium here. It's got obviously your OSU colors, but amazingly, a two-time Heisman Trophy winner in 74 and 75, Archie Griffith, he signed this ball. There's actually a picture of it being signed on the day, and also there is a certificate of authenticity on here to show you that the ball is indeed real and that it is an amazing collectible. But all you have to do is sign up for our channel, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified when the new videos come out. But I'm hoping that this ball will end up in your house. There's a little holder there for you as well. You can put it right on the mantle. It's going to be amazing. Lastly, we're also going to be doing some other fun giveaways. We try to, every time I go to the store and I use cash, I always save the coins. And so this thing probably weighs about 10 pounds full of coins. So what we're going to do is, when you subscribe to the channel, we're going to also put your name in the drawing to win however much money is in here, because it'd be so expensive to ship it. What I'll do is I'll just count it all, I'll put it in a little counter, and then we'll Venmo or PayPal or however we want to get the money to you, but we'll get it to you. But this is just the types of things that we'll be doing on the channel. We just want to make sure that that you want to come back. We're also, books have changed my life. Rich Dad, Poor Dad, Think and Grow Rich, all of these books that are amazing, that are going to change your life. I'm going to have all of those books on At Home for Good's channel so that you can download them for free, and then we can talk about them, we can share the information that we learned from them. But this is the thing that you need to start changing your mindset, is you have to read or listen and begin to utilize the knowledge that the people that have written these books wants to share with you. It has changed my life in such an amazing way. So I just wanted to, again, thank you for coming to my channel, At Home for Good. I'm super excited that you're here. I'm super excited for for EIA's series here so that you guys can sign up and start making money online so that you can also be successful. It's an amazing feeling to reach the goal of being financial free. And that's what I want for you and your family. So you guys take care. If you have any questions, again, just put them in the comments. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that bell. Okay.